nights are getting colder, and you're looking for someone. When it feels like love is over, ooh, I'll hold you in my arms. Baby, I can be your shoulder. I can give you what you want. When you need someone to understand, ooh, I'll hold you in my arms. I'll hold you in my, hold you in my, hold you in my arms. I'll hold you in my, hold you in my, hold you in my arms. I'll hold you in my, hold you in my, hold you in my arms. Ooh, I'll hold you in my arms.
Our business, sport and health, but we do many other.
So University of Southampton, we're based on the sunny south coast of England.
From Aberystwyth University. Don't worry, you can't pronounce it because you can't.
We're an employability-driven university.
Hello everyone, my name's Nick, I'm from Nottingham Trent University.
I'm Simon Morley and I'm representing Bucks University.
My name's Lisa and I'm here representing the University of South Wales.